Okay, those who came for the first class for today, okay, you need to understand the recordings of one, two, three classes, I think. Okay, just focus on it and you try to be club with the existing batch from Monday onwards. Okay, today I will teach you the basic concepts of theoretical standards. Practically, already we moved to good position, how to test an application. You have to understand the flow of how to test an application and try to concentrate on it. Okay, good to hear, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's focus on the content. Software testing is divided into couple of types: manual testing and automation testing. So, as you guys, software testing, what is the main criteria to go with software testing? What we are doing as a test engineer, we should give, okay, we should provide quality to the application. As a test engineer, you are going to cross check the application. If any loopholes are there in the application, you need to escalate those particular defects or issues or loopholes to the concerned development department. Please be mute, ma. Other guys. Okay. So, whatever the issues you indicated, okay, development department, they will check in their environment.
Sorry, sorry, your screen is not visible, sir.
Oh, my screen is not visible for you. Rest of the folks, please confirm me, ma. Everyone, it's same
Not
like that.
visible, sir. Not visible, sir.
Visible, sir.
Okay, those who are those who are not able to see my screen, only one thing. Okay, you need to reconnect it once. It's not
Okay,
there
sir.
in my hand. Okay, check your internet bandwidths and reconnect it once. Okay, got it right? Just do like that.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, and please be in mute, ma. Okay, let's focus on it. So software testing is divided into couple of types. I told you, manual testing and automation testing. See here, what is the exact meaning of manual testing? Manual testing is nothing but without helping of any tools. If I perform any task by individually, that is nothing but manual testing. Okay, I will give you a smart example for you. If I want to travel from Hyderabad to Bangalore, okay, how many ways are there? I can go by bus, I can go by car, I can go by airways, I can go by lorry, I can go by walk. Without helping of any tools, if you perform any task, okay, that is nothing but manual testing. Walking is nothing but manual testing. If you use any car, bus, lorry, airways, it is nothing but a tool. Depending on the, okay, budget, you are going to pick the mode of transport. If you perform any task with the help of any tool, is nothing but automation testing. Only simple thing. What is manual testing? If anyone asks you, you have to say the answer. Without having any tools, if I performed any action, step by step process is nothing but manual testing. In manual testing, what I am going to do? Without helping of any tools, I am going to perform the task. Am I clear? The same like that, coming to automation testing. What is automation testing? With the help of the tools, I am going to perform the task. Okay, depending on my budget levels. If I want to travel from Hyderabad to Bangalore, I can go with APSRTC bus with the less expenditure. If I want to go with a comfort level, okay, then I can go with sleeper class with a AC bus. Got it, ma? The expenditure is also, the budget level also, it's different. If you want to make it as a short time, you can choose airways. Expenditure and budget also, it may varies. Depending on the comfort, you will get some features. Okay, budget, you will get the comfort and features. Are you understood my intention, what I'm going to convey you? Coming to automation, there are so many existing tools are there in the market, like bus, car, lorry, okay, Selenium, robotic automation, RPA, coded UI, Renorex, Whatin, what not. There are so many other tools are there. UiPath. So, and have you guys heard about any one of you? QTP, Quick Test Professional. This is also one of the automation tool. So there are so many automation tools are available in the market, but Selenium, it's a open source. It's a free tool. Okay. The companies are expecting if I invest 1 rupee, they are going to expect 99 rupees margin. So obviously, 78% of the companies are going, I mean, are utilizing Selenium as their automation tools. Trust me, guys. Rest of the tools they are going to play with 22 to 28%, but Selenium is going to perform, okay, 78% in the market. Selenium with Java, Selenium with Ruby, Selenium with Python. So my intention is to say that my intention.
Sir, your voice is not audible.
Yeah, just I kept in mute. Don't worry about that. Okay. I think right now you are able to hear me. Come on, give
Yes,
us.
Yes,
sir.
yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, yes,
Okay,
sir.
it's not an issue. Okay, see here where I am. Automation tools we are going to work with Selenium because lot of scope is there. If you pick as your automation tool as Selenium, okay, Selenium with Java, we are going to work here automation tool. Then what is automation? Already manual testing is there, right? Why we are going for automation? What is the necessity use of it? See here, redundancy factor, reusability factor. We are going to save our time by using of automation. Suppose if I want to run 100 Gmail accounts, whether those accounts are active or not, okay, the platform it goes with login screen, okay, you are going to enter username, you are going to enter password and sign in button. That means login button. If the account navigated to home page, your account is activated. If any interruptions are happened, your account is deactivated or something, it's in a inactive. Okay, only three actions you are going to perform. Okay, if you want to perform this task in manual testing, you need to work for 100 accounts by line process, and you need to concentrate on the same flow of the application. The same thing if you want to perform automation, you just invest your time for 5 to 10 minutes, okay, or 20 minutes. Write down the script, okay. What is automation? Conversion of manual test cases into test scripts is known as automation. You guys know what are test cases? Test cases are derived from test scenarios. What is test scenario? Test scenario is nothing but a flow. Requirement will be divided into multiple ways. అంటే ఏంటండి what I am going to say here, test scenario is nothing but a flow. Requirement will be divided into multiple ways. హైదరాబాద్ నుంచి బెంగళూరు వెళ్ళాలి అనేది నా క్లయింట్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ అయితే నడిచి వెళ్ళడం అనేది ఒక సినారియో. బస్సులో వెళ్ళడం అనేది ఒక సినారియో. ఇఫ్ యూ పిక్ కార్, ఇట్స్ వన్ సినారియో. ఇఫ్ యూ పిక్ ఎయిర్వేస్, ఇట్స్ అవర్ సినారియో. Scenario is nothing but we are going to approach the requirement with different aspects. సందర్భము సినారియో అంటే. For that scenario, you are going to write down the experience. That experience are nothing but test cases. In manual testing, if you want to test a Gmail, what is the prerequisite conditions? Open the URL www.gmail.com, create an account, enter first name, enter last name, enter email ID, enter mobile number, okay, enter password, enter re-enter password, enter one-time password, which it receives to your mobile. Okay, all the validation steps you need to perform. Manual testing is nothing but step-by-step execution. That is nothing but whatever the steps you followed, you should maintain one document. The documentation consists of line by line process. Those are nothing but test cases. Am I clear, everyone? Both the teams.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, if anyone asks you what is automation, you need to convey the simplest order. Automation is nothing but conversion of manual test cases into test scripts are known as automation. మాన్యువల్లో ఉన్న టెస్ట్ కేసెస్ని టెస్ట్ స్క్రిప్ట్స్ కింద మార్చబడటమే ఆటోమేషన్ యొక్క ముఖ్య ఉద్దేశం. సో మై ఇంటెన్షన్ ఇస్ టు సే దట్ ఎవ్రీ స్టూడెంట్ conversion of, you need to repeat it. Every student, please enable your voice. What is automation? Conversion of manual test cases into test scripts is known as automation. Make it as a running note. Conversion of, converting of manual test cases into test scripts is known as automation. Okay, that's it. Coming to automation. Okay, so 100 test says you need to execute an automation, right? I'm at there, just continuing that flow. Okay, you wrote this code for manual test cases. Okay, and what is the prerequisite of writing the manual test cases for Gmail login? Open URL, that is the first step. Second step, it would be enter valid username. Third step, enter valid password. Fourth step, click on sign in button or login button. Am I clear? Four steps you wrote.
Yes, sir.
You need to convert these four steps into test scripts. How you are going to write these particular four steps into test scripts? You are going to concentrate with coding language with the help of the Selenium. Okay, with the help of the Java orientation, you are going to write our Selenium scripts. Okay, so line 1 for Selenium script URL, line 2 for username, line 3 for password taking, line 4 for clicking on login button. You wrote the script and you implemented the logic for all the 100 accounts. That means 100 accounts, usernames and passwords you kept in, you placed in Excel sheet. Give the Excel sheet connection to Eclipse tool. Excel sheet will take, I mean, Selenium will manage line by line order to pick the accounts. That means for the logic, you need to implement for loop. I equal to 1, I less than or equal to some x, I plus plus. Okay. In for loop, it will take, okay, the mechanism of the logic, it will manage in the for loop. Okay, it will check with first account whether enter the username, enter the valid password and click on login button. Okay, if it navigated to home page, the account is activated. If it is not navigated to home page, then the account is invalid. You need to define it. Write down the four steps of code and implement the logic for 5 to 10 minutes. Total, you are going to invest the time for 25 minutes to 20 minutes. Then no need to concentrate on the Gmail execution. Once you start your button, for loop it will take. First account it will give, and after that second account it will give. After that third account it will give, and at the same time it will give the result. 100 accounts, it will take some time, right? For Gmail access, it will take, if it is 8 hours, if it is 5 hours, if it is 4 hours, it will take. Okay, just invest your time for 20 to 25 minutes, and after that you can go and continue with other works. You can go and continue with other works. That is the benefit of automation. Are you understood, guys? Average 60 to 70% of the time you are going to save in automation testing. If you want to check that Gmail scenario, whether the accounts are active or not, if it is a manual task, 1 to 100, you need to concentrate on it. If it is a automation task, invest your 25 minutes of your time, develop the scripts, give the selenium connect, give the Excel connection to selenium tool. Selenium tool will perform after 25 minutes. You no need to concentrate on every execution is going on. In meanwhile, you can handle with any another work. It will complete the execution and it will run it. See here, when you kept running mode of selenium, when you are log out from the office, okay, don't close the computer. You just make it as a run mode and went out. If the application want to run for 5 hours, late night also it will run and it will provide the result. Tomorrow morning you can check it out, how many test cases are passed, how many test cases are failed. Okay, after the business hours also it will run. That is the use of automation. Nowadays, if you want to go with nowadays if you want to sustain your jobs in software testing field, both the tools are very very important: manual testing and automation testing. Okay, see here, if you want to go by walk, you need to walk on it. If the dog want to bite you, you have to escape from there. Long jump also you have to learn it. That long jumps, fast running, whatever you call, you have to learn it in automation. Both the things you need to maintain, then only you can sustain in this particular quality department, because the companies are expecting the guy should perform with manual testing along with automation testing. Hybrid approach, you know, the hybrid approach, a combination of two or more features in a single person, the companies are going to acquire you. Guys, are you understood what I'm going to say?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's the thing. Up to now, any doubts?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay, see here, for automation I told you, right, you need to maintain some scripts. For this you need a small basic languages, like, the coding language, background stuff, it should be there. Okay, so don't worry guys, I will teach from the scratch level, like for from ABCDs onwards. Okay, what is class, what is object, okay, how we are going to treat with the variables, what are locators, okay, what are whoops concepts, what are whoops principles, each and everything I am going to explain for you guys. Okay, just be hold for 2 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Both the teams, are you able to hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, let's focus on it. Okay, coming to coding languages skills, you need to work on the basic standards of what is class, what is object, what is variable, what are data types. Okay. You know, guys, what are data types? Any one of you in the existing batch?
Data types is a inbuilt which is we can use by using like int if you want to use integer.
Very good. Absolutely, whatever you said is correct. But in my style, I will
There
let
are
you know.
two types, primitive or non-primitive.
Yeah, yeah. Everything is a bookist one. Don't just ignore it. I will let you know. Okay. So data types are nothing but a simply naming convention. Okay. General meaning we can go with, it's a naming convention. How can I say that it's a naming convention? If you go for petrol bunk and you just set them, I mean say them like this. So just I want 1 kg of petrol. Is it the appropriated term? Is it the appropriated term?
No, sir.
I
No,
want
sir.
1 kg of liter. Okay. You just go to supermarket and you just ask them like this. I want 1 liter of sugar.
No. No,
Whether
sir.
it is the appropriated term?
No,
I
sir.
mean, I need to say that it's a convention of the naming. So my intention is to say that what type of quantity and measures we need to speak it out. If it is a number, we just go with the data type as integer. Okay. If it is a B, C, D's, we should call it as a character. Rama, Lakshman, Rutik Roshan, Shah Rukh Khan, Abdul Kalam. Okay. Like these wordings are nothing but string. A combination of words we placed in one container. All the chocolates are placed in chocolate box. These are nothing but arrays. String is a class data type where we can store multiple characters. Array is an object that contains elements of similar data types. All the chocolates are a similar data types, right? All the chocolates are placed in a container, right? Okay. First in, first out, or first in, last out. If I want to keep 100 chocolates in a container, I kept first chocolate in first position. Okay. All the 100 chocolates I kept there, first in, first out, or first in, last out.
First in, last out.
Okay. These are the stacks and queues. Okay. Stack is nothing but first in, last out. Queue. If you went for cinema ticket, okay, you stand in the queue. First in, first out, or first in, last out. This is nothing
First
but
in,
a
first out, sir.
very good, I
First
got the
in, last.
answer. Okay. Right. These are the standards.
First in, first out.
Yeah, very good, very good. I got your answers. Are you understood, right? These are the basic standards to learn about the technical programming course. And I will teach you each and everything, the variable sector. And if you don't know about this particular coding language skills, I will take care from the initial scratch onwards. Trust me, guys, we are not the creators, we are the cross checkers. That means don't treat it as the coding subject as a developer perspective. We are the cross checkers. You need to treat the coding language as a testing perspective. Less code, you need to implement it. Am I clear? Am I clear? Come
Yes, sir.
on.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hey guys, let's see here. Okay, we are going to focus on some content oriented in manual testing. Let's focus on it. Have you guys understood the total flow of SDLC process? Come on, existing students, please speak it out.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's focus on a small topic for today because we are not expecting some crew. Okay, we expected, but it's not happened. Let's focus on the only these four topics, ma. Let's concentrate for today. Okay, already I shown you the structure of the particular software, right? And you just focus on it. Any one of you, what is project and what is product? Come on, come on, guys. What is project and what is product? Have you know any one of you? Have you heard about project-based companies and product-based companies?
Product is a hardware, project is a software, sir.
What's your name?
Mustafa, sir.
Mustafa. Please go ahead. Please go ahead, Mustafa.
Project means making a software or any architecture design. It's called a project. Product means a hardware like a computer, automobiles, cell phones.
Hey, sorry guys. Actually, my kid came. Yeah, please go ahead. Mustafa, please continue, ma. Come on. Mustafa, I want to listen your answer. What's your answer?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Project means a software which
Mhm,
we have to design or evaluate the
mhm.
prototype of a product. Prototype
Okay.
project. Product
Okay.
means the final things to make to product hardware type.
Yeah. Because there are so many freshers are there. Okay. I will let you know because whatever you said is good. Let me give you a clear description, right? I mean, particular this project and product. I will give you clarity for you guys. Have you heard about? Okay. I need to say that only one thing. My company is a project based company. I am working with service oriented companies. You are regularly hearing these wordings from your seniors or your brothers or sisters or friends. What are these project based companies and what are these product based companies? Simply think, I need to say that Microsoft is a product based company or project based company. Everyone, any one
Product
of
based.
you.
Product based.
Why you can say it as a product based company?
Sir, that
because
company will sell their own products, sir. They'll
Eh, Yeah, exactly. Whatever you said is correct. What are the names, ma? These two girls. What are your names?
Madhavi, sir.
Very good, ma. See here. Project-based companies and product-based companies. Flipkart is a purely product-based companies. Suppose Shakila wants to, okay, make a software. Okay, she required one software. She approached to the Flipkart company and she explained to the Flipkart company, I want one software for my existing business. Could you please develop any software for my requirement? If you ask them means Flipkart welcomes you. Flipkart
no,
will provide any software for you.
no,
No.
No.
no,
Flipkart is a existing product. They won't give any services. Am I clear? Flipkart
Yes,
is
sir.
a
yes,
purely product based companies. You just go to Infosys and ask them, they will provide one software for you or not.
Provide, sir.
Because Infosys is service based company. If you go for Microsoft, for my, okay, business, you have to develop one software for me. Could you please develop the software for me? If you ask means Microsoft won't provide any software for you. Microsoft is a purely product based company. Okay, they will create their own ideas. They will launch the particular product from the company. You know, Windows 7 operating system, it's the product of Microsoft. Windows 2003 server, it's the product of Microsoft. Windows 10, it's the product of Microsoft. Windows 11, it's the product of Microsoft. Depending on the market strategies, market standards, they will upgrade their products with the version releases. They are going to give that particular products to the market. They don't take any, okay, they didn't provide any services to the market. So whatever the company, they can understand the client as per their individualities. Okay, they have their own products and they will come to the market and satisfy the public needs. For the specification of the client, they won't give any services. If the company provides any services as per the client requirement, that those are nothing but project based companies. TCS is a project based company or product based company? Any one of you? Tata Consultancy Services.
Project-based company.
Project
Project
based.
based.
Both.
Project based.
Both. I can say that project based as well as
Yeah,
the product based.
project based company, sir.
Sorry, it's the both service based as well as the product based. See here, Tata Nano Car, a product of Tata. Okay, you know the glasses site, Tata I Plus,
Yes.
a product of Tata. Tata Salt, a product of Tata. Insurance companies, a product of Tata. Are you understood? It's the
Yes,
product
sir.
of
Yes, sir.
Tata oriented only, right? From the company, if any product is derived, means it's a product based company. As well as if you go and approach TCS, I want one software for my existing car business. Please make a software to sell my old cars, pre-owned cars, car. Okay, TCS will provide for you because it acts as a both project based company and service based, I mean, product based company as well as a service based company also. Got it? Assume it. Wipro is a project based company or product based company.
Project-based.
Okay. Wipro also having some of the own products are
Both.
there. IBM
Both.
is a project based company or product based company.
Both.
Project.
Both, both, because IBM tools are there in the market, a product of IBM. And if you go for IBM and you ask, I want any software, means IBM will derive it. So my intention is to say that only one thing, ma. From the company, if any product comes, that is nothing but product based company. Okay, they don't will take any requirements and they didn't provide any solutions to the market. If they provide solutions to the market, those are nothing but service oriented companies. Service based companies are nothing but project based companies. See here, these terms you are going to listen in, okay, here from the real time word. My company is a service based company. Service based company is nothing but, okay, if it is a Yamaha bike, I will service it. If it is a Royal Enfield bike, I will service it. Okay, if it is a Luna or Scooty, I will service it. Any bike, as a mechanic, I will service it. So those are nothing but project based companies. Project based companies are nothing but service based companies. Product based companies are nothing but you just want to that particular domain only. Other bikes, they don't treat it. Those are nothing but product based companies. Okay, are you understood what I'm going to say? Come on.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes.
Yes, sir.
So for technical, for everything, technical meaning is very important. Let's concentrate on it. If a software developer depends on individual or specific or single requirements are nothing but project based companies. If I approach for one company, I can say that I explained my requirements to that particular company. As per my requirement, the company, Okay, provide one software that is nothing but project based company. But project based companies are not like that. Flipkart, Amazon, Microsoft, these are project based companies. If you go and ask them, they don't give any services for you because we are going to utilize their particular products. Okay, if your software depends on overall requirement in the market, as per the requirement in the market, they are going to, okay, launch their own products. In 2007, Flipkart came into market, okay, depending on the online needs. Right now it is one of the largest e-commerce site. Have you guys learned Lenscott? Have you
Yes.
guys know?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Approximately I can say that it's the site came at 2009 around. Okay, 2009 or 10, that's it, the range of that particular Lenscott. Yeah, 2011 I think. 2011. Okay, see here, they are going to provide the virtual, okay, virtual wearing of the particular eyewear to the human bodies. Okay, human pictures are there, you can show it out how the appearance of the glasses once you wear it, each and everything. So the effects of particular lens code site is very good, ma. And my intention is to say that it's a purely a product based company. If you go for lens code, I want one software, could you please provide me, they won't develop, ma. Are you understood, right? What is the exact difference between project based companies and product based companies?
Yes, sir.
For freshers, these are the two important questions. For experienced people, you have to learn it. So we need to say that project and product, I need to say that it's clear, right? And we need to focus on two things, ma. Quality. Quality is divided into quality control and quality assurance. Which one is first? Quality control or quality assurance? Quality is divided into couple of types.
First
One
thing,
is
quality
quality
control.
assurance and quality control. Which one is first?
Assurance.
No, quality control. Whoever said this answer, it's perfectly right. See here, while I am testing an application, if every action is under control, then I can provide promises to the market. Okay, my product has all the quality features, every functionality is under control. Okay, then I will give promises to the market, then I will give assurance to the market. Just buy my product will give 100% of quality for you guys. So that is nothing but assurance I am going to provide. Are you understood? Quality control, how the product is working on it. Suppose you are going to drive a car. If you click on accelerator, what it need to work on it, it has to move on. If you apply for brake, it need to stop it, the car need to stop it. If you go with clutch, entire car, it will comes to your control. That are nothing but controls. If you applied for brake, the car is going it's not to be stoppable, it's still running it, it's there in the control. Are you understood, ma, what I'm going to say? If you apply for the brake, it has to stop it. You need to check it out, all the controls are working or not. The same for applications. Yesterday I shown you, without entering of any data, if you click on submit button for registration, it has to accept or it has to restrict out.
Restrict out.
Restrict out.
Okay,
Restrict out, sir.
I showed you two examples. Okay, are you guys understood? One is the live application, it is going to restrict out, and another one
Yes, sir.
is accepting. Accepting one is a bug, restricting out is a control, it's working perfect. So are you understood the difference, right? Every action as per the controls is there means I can provide assurance to the markets. Boss, you can utilize my product. Okay, I tested this product thoroughly. I'm guarantee says that you should not face any single mistake by utilizing of our product. I'm giving you assurance for you like that. You are going to provide assurance. When you are going to provide assurance, when your product has that targets of particular standards are there, then you are going to able to provide the assurance to the market. If it is a China mobile, you are giving warranty for China mobiles.
No.
If it is a Nokia or plus something mobiles with a brand name, they will give you 1 year of warranty and
Yes.
guarantee.
Yeah,
Okay, what is the trust?
yes, sir.
Because of
I will give.
assurance. Are you understood, guys? What I'm going to say? They had a confidence on their product, so that's why they are going to give assurance. If you go for any washing machine or refrigerators, they are going to provide you 10 years, 5 years of warranty. You know what is the difference between warranty and guarantee?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right now, today's, I mean, nowadays, there are no guarantees, only warranties are available. Got it? So, these are the common technical standards of the terminology. You need to know it. What is quality? Quality is nothing but justification of all the requirements of a customer in a product. I am expecting some future from the product without any breakouts, without any breakages. From past 10 years, I am utilizing that particular product. Till now, at my home, Nokia 1100 mobile is there. Even I didn't change it for the battery also. What is the reason behind that? The build quality is very offensive, very effective. Are you guys understood what I'm going to say?
Yes, sir.
Quality is nothing but a justification of all my requirements of a customer in a product. I am expected some future picking the phone, dropping the phone. It's enough. Nokia 1100. It satisfied my need. From past 10 years, I'm utilizing that phone. That is nothing but quality. I satisfied with that product. Quality control is nothing but you need to check it out as per the quality controls. Every action is working or not. Every action is within the standards or not. If quality control it's worked perfect, then I will give you assurance to the market. Utilize our product. You know, Hindustan water purifier. Okay, they kept with dust water also. You will get the quality of water in the advertising sites. Really, I don't know, guys, but it will work some promptly, and they will give you some appropriated message. If it is not filtered perfectly, I will wapas. I will return the money to back with a 1 lakh of challenge something long back. I I I saw that particular advertisement. Promotions.
Sir.
How they going to provide promotions levels? They have a good rapport and confidence on their product. So tomorrow your IT companies are going to give like this. Our product is tested by Ritish. Our product is tested by Purnima. Our test is predicted by, hello, hello, guys, are you understood what I'm going to say?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, sorry team, I kept in mute. Skype team, it's not an issue. Okay, just ignore it. So only one thing, project is nothing but you need to focus on as per the service kind of activities. Product is nothing but you need to focus on the overall requirement in the market. Quality is nothing but you need to focus on how much efficiently the product is working on it. I mean, justification of all my requirements in a product, that is nothing but a quality. I'm expected some features in that particular product or project. It satisfied me. It satisfied my needs. The, those are nothing but quality. I'm happy with that utilizing of the product. Quality control or quality assurance. Which one is first? As per the requirements, everything is working. That is nothing but quality control. It is working. So that is nothing but quality control. Okay, quality control is a product oriented, focus on defect identification. If I allocated you any work in IT industry, you have to provide defects in the application. You need to find it out, defects in the application. You have to provide quality outcome by your testing techniques. You need to raise the mistakes in the application. If you make the particular software as a bug free, then your marketing leads, then your CEOs, okay, high level people are going to sell your particular products or projects to the market with 100% of confident level. If any mistake happens, they will try to set right, because with their committed words, 100% of quality you provided in quality control, in quality assurance, it will promote by line order. 100% of productivity, it happens in quality assurance. That's it, ma. Small class with less topics, because we expected nearly some more crew is there, ma. It not happened, right? So that's why I picked from the middle these topics, ma, without wasting of our time. Okay, let's focus on Monday onwards, and we are trying to concentrate on SDLC models, live levels of testing, and methods of testing. Today I expected to teach you these particular concepts: SDLC process, levels of testing, and methods of testing. Unexpectedly, we waited for nearly 45 minutes. Okay, it's not an issue, ma. From tomorrow onwards, okay, Monday to Saturday, you have to come for classes at 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. Please be present within the time, ma. Within within the time you need to present it, because after that I need to continue with the rest of the classes. Okay, the grace period, it would be 8:05. Exactly at 8:05 I'll start my class. Try to be in time. Any doubts up to now? Whatever the points are discussed. Come on. Okay. TK
No,
guys.
sir.
Have a great day.
No, sir. All is clear.
Sorry. Yeah,
Sir,
please. Yeah.
sir, sir, నా పేరు విష్ణు సార్.
Yeah.
సార్ నేను ప్రజెంట్ ఒక ఆఫీస్ లో వర్క్ చేస్తున్నాను సార్,
Wait,
జిఐఎస్ లో.
yeah, just wait, ma. Just wait, ma. Wait. Hey, Skype team. Are you understood, right? So whatever the pending topics are there, you just focus on it and complete it. Vinay, I am expecting from you. Okay. From Monday, you need to complete these particular completed classes and come to the class on Monday with full confidence. Okay, let's focus on the completed subject, existing students. Have a great day. Tomorrow is the holiday. Okay, guys, Skype team. Bye. Yeah, you too, ma.
హలో
Yes, ma. Please continue. Hi, team.
సార్, నా పేరు
Yeah, please go ahead. I understood. Come
సార్,
on.
నేను ఒక కంపెనీలో వర్క్ చేస్తున్నా సార్.
What company? What's your company name?
సార్, ట్రై జియో గూగుల్ మ్యాపింగ్.
Okay.
సార్, నా ఫీల్డ్ చేంజ్ చేసుకుందాం అనుకుంటున్నా, కాకపోతే నాకు అక్కడ ఆ కంపెనీలో బాండింగ్ ఉంది సార్.
Mm-hmm.
బాండ్ అండ్ మేము అగ్రిమెంట్ ఉంది.
Mm-hmm.
నేను రిజైన్ పెట్టాలంటే వాళ్ళు రిటర్న్ మనీ అడుగుతున్నారు. నేను ఈ రికార్డింగ్ క్లాసెస్ ని నేను డ్యూటీ అయిపోయాక వినొచ్చా?
Why can't you can listen it? But live class is totally different than recording class. Okay, you have a chance of interacting with me. Are you guys understood?
ఓకే సార్.
Okay, but
ఓకే సార్.
there is no scope means